Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theory. And in this video, we are going to discuss the evolution and role of literary agents. Introduction. The role of literary agents has evolved significantly since their inception in the late 19th century, becoming an indispensable part of the publishing industry. This video explores the history, development, and multifaceted responsibilities of literary agents as well as the dynamics of their relationship with authors. The emergence of literary agents. The first literary agents began to emerge towards the end of the 19th century. A.P. Watt, 1834 to 1914, is often regarded as one of the first professional literary agents. Among his notable clients were literary giants such as Thomas Hardy, Rudyard Kipling, and Rider Haggard. Following Watt, other significant figures in the early history of literary agents included J. B. Pinker, 1863 to 1922, Curtis Brown, 1866 to 1941, and John Farquharson. These pioneers helped shape the role and establish the importance of literary agents in the literary world. Initial opposition and acceptance. For many years, there was considerable opposition to the concept of literary agents. Authors and publishers were divided on the necessity and usefulness of agents. Some authors viewed agents with suspicion, concerned about their integrity and the value they added. Over time, however, the benefits of having an agent became more apparent, and today it is rare to find an author who does not have one. Despite this widespread acceptance, the industry, like any other, includes individuals who are unscrupulous and dishonest. Nevertheless, the majority of literary agents are dedicated professionals who play a crucial role in the literary ecosystem. The multifaceted role of literary agents. The job of a literary agent is complex and multifaceted. One of their primary responsibilities is placing manuscripts with suitable publishers, editors, and theatrical managements. This involves a deep understanding of the market and the ability to match the right manuscript with the right publisher. Agents also negotiate contracts and rights on behalf of their clients, ensuring that authors receive fair compensation and retain appropriate control over their work. In addition to these tasks, agents handle various legal matters related to publishing and intellectual property. They provide general advice and guidance to authors, helping them navigate the often complicated publishing landscape. This can include offering editorial feedback, strategizing career moves, and assisting with marketing and public relations efforts. The agent-author relationship. The relationship between an author and their agent is often compared to a successful marriage. It requires mutual trust, clear communication, and a shared vision for the author's career. A good agent understands their client's strengths, aspirations, and unique voice and works tirelessly to advocate for them. Conversely, a good author values their agent's expertise and input, understanding that their success is often a collaborative effort. Conclusion. Literary agents have become an integral part of the publishing industry, evolving from a once controversial role to one that is now essential for most authors. Their responsibilities are diverse and demanding, requiring a blend of market-savvy, legal acumen, and interpersonal skills. The relationship between an author and their agent, when successful, can significantly enhance an author's career, ensuring their work reaches the right audience and is appropriately valued. As the literary landscape continues to change, the role of the literary agent will undoubtedly continue to adapt, maintaining its vital place in the world of books. So this was the discussion on the evolution and role of literary agents. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.